eighth letter of Hindi alphabet is A. A. This is printed form and this is handwritten form. A. This is printed form and this is handwritten form. A. A. A sounds like a, as in English words atom, cat, fat, rat. A sounds like A as in English words atom, cat, fat, rat. In this word, this is a chick. In this word, first letter is A. A chick. A chick means optional. A chick means optional. Atom. The first letter of this word is A. Atom. Aitihasik. Historical. The first letter of aitihasik is A. Aitihasik. Ain mauke par. In the nick of time. Here first letter is A. Ain mauke par, in the nick of time. Ain mauke par, in the nick of time. Ain waqt par, at the 11th hour. Ain waqt par, at the 11th hour. Ain waqt par, at the 11th hour. Aib means flaw, moral fault. Aib, flaw, moral fault. In this word, the first letter is also A. Aib, flaw, moral fault. Ash, luxury. In this word, the first letter is A. Ash, luxury. Aishwarya, fortune. Fortune. In this word, the first letter is A. Aishwarya, fortune. Aisa, thus. In this word, the first letter is A. Aisa, thus.